In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Bookings with CRM. By the end, your customer details and appointments will flow smoothly from Zoho Bookings into Zoho CRM, keeping your pipeline organized and your calendar in sync. Without manual data entry, start in Zoho Bookings from the main dashboard. Open Settings, then go to Integrations and choose CRM and Sales. On the Zoho CRM card, click Connect. You'll want to do this from an account with the right permissions in both apps so the connection can be established for your organization. If you manage multiple CRM organizations, make sure you are connecting the correct one for your team. Next, authorize access. A permissions window will appear asking you to allow Zoho Bookings to access your CRM organization. Grant the requested permissions to let Bookings create and update records on your behalf. This secure authorization is what allows the two apps to communicate and keep your data aligned. Now, map your customer fields. Choose the target CRM module you want Bookings to write to, such as contacts, then match each field from your Bookings form to the corresponding field in CRM. For example, map first name, last name, email, and phone, so you capture essentials consistently. Select your data sync rule, update existing records or always create new ones. If you already have many contacts in CRM and want to avoid duplicates, choose Update Existing so Bookings updates a matching record when it finds one, typically based on email. If you prefer every booking to create a separate entry, choose Always Create New. After that, map your appointment fields. Here, you'll connect booking details to the Meetings module in CRM so each scheduled session appears as a meeting. Match fields like appointment date, time, duration, and service. If you use any custom booking fields, remember they must exist in the CRM Meetings module first before you can map them. Create those custom fields in CRM as needed. Then return to this mapping screen to complete the setup. Finally, configure calendar sync if you want real-time schedule alignment. Enable Add My Bookings event to my CRM calendar, so every appointment appears on your CRM calendar. Automatically, turn on Block My Conflicting CRM Events to prevent double booking by honoring existing CRM meetings. These options help you maintain a single source of truth for availability and reduce scheduling conflicts. Save your changes and you are done. Your Zoho Bookings and CRM are now working together to streamline contacts and meetings with less manual work and fewer errors. Thanks for watching.